Hey, this is Jay Pac-Man here. Irma is gone, and I have my trees. They're a little leany, but I got trees. I got some. See right there, he came out at his roots, so that's good. We'll just straighten him up. He'll be just fine. Just fine. This guy made himself a little hole around his house, around his place. Right. I think I have all my shingles, unlike my neighbors. I seem to have all mine. My little tree out there laid down pretty good. It's still windy. That tree got a serious haircut. Serious haircut. A lot of those limbs were in their driveway earlier. Lost a couple limbs. Let's go see how the backyard looks. Those guys don't look any worse for wear. Yeah, one piece of lattice, and it didn't even go flying. Bougainvillea's held it up just fine. Oh, but that bougainvillea fell down. I fell down. They used their fence. It wasn't laying against the thing, it was laying against the cherry picker, dear. Yeah, it's chirping. Picks up the motor.
Yeah. There's a motor hanging on it.
Yeah. Yeah, oh, that's for sure. Yep, I think we came out of it about as good as you can ask for. I'll be taking video of all over Cape Coral after this, so stay tuned.